If Microsoft Word has been slowing down or acting a little unresponsive every time you print, there's a simple setting that could be causing it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable print in background in Word so your documents print more directly, and you can often get a smoother experience when sending files to your printer. This is a quick but useful fix, especially if you work with larger documents or print often. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. It doesn't matter if you already have a document open because this setting is changed inside Word's options. Once Word is open, go up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From there, click Options near the bottom of the menu. This will open the Word Options window, which is where many of the deeper application settings are stored. In the Word Options window, look at the left-hand menu and click Advanced. This section contains a wide range of editing, display, and printing settings. Now scroll down through the advanced options until you find the print section. Depending on your version of Word, this may be a little farther down, so take your time and keep scrolling until you see it. Inside the print section, look for the checkbox labeled Print in Background. If this box is checked, Word is trying to continue processing while you keep working, but that can sometimes create delays or make printing feel less immediate. To turn it off, simply uncheck the box for Print in Background. Once you've done that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's the key step, and after you close the settings, Word will use the new print behavior moving forward. To test it, you can try printing a document and see if the process now feels more straightforward. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just follow the same steps and check the box again. And that's it. You've now disabled print in background in Word. This is one of those simple settings that can make a big difference if you want a cleaner printing workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.